Bonjour. Alors, voici un petit parcours du vocabulaire du chapitre 7. So here's a little walkthrough of the vocabulary of chapter 7 from Français interactif. So the first category of vocabulary you have here is les fêtes. Les fêtes. Fêtes. Make sure you get that sound in on the accent circonflexe. Les fêtes. So first vocabulary word there is les jours fériés, fériés, fériés. Notice you have two accents aigus, right? So with those accents aigus, you got to make sure you get out the e sound. Férié, férié. Le jour de l'an, le jour de l'an. See how jour is capitalized and an is capitalized? Might look a little awkward to you, but both are capitalized. La chandeleur, la chandeleur, chandeleur, chandeleur. The middle E is a E sound like in le. La chandeleur, le 2 février. La Saint-Valentin, Saint-Valentin, Valentin, careful, it's a nasal sound at the end, not Valentine, that's a feminine word, masculine in this case, Valentin, Valentin. Nasal sound. Also, any of these holidays that are saints' names, Saint Patrick, Saint Valentin, etc., there's a hyphen, right? So Saint Valentin, le 14 février. Le carnaval, carnaval, carnaval. There's an A in the middle, right? Carnaval. La Pâque juive, la Pâque juive, Pâque juive, Pâque juive. There's an accent circonflexe, long stretched out A, Pâque juive. Pâque, 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 same thing, long stretched out A. There's no article with that noun, Pâque, and it ends in S, by the way. Le 1er avril, le 1er avril. You do liaison there, so it's le premier by itself, but because of the A, you have to link the final R into the beginning A. Le 1er avril, le 1er avril. La fête du travail, la fête du travail. A lot of these holidays, there's a capital letter in a place where you wouldn't expect one. La fête du travail, le 1er mai. Le 8 mai, le 8 mai, la fête de la victoire, la fête de la victoire. L'ascension, l'ascension, nasal sound. La fête des mères, no capitals here. La fête des mères, la fête des pères. La Pentecôte, la Pentecôte, la Pentecôte. So there's an O there, rounded O, Pentecôte. So la fête nationale, le 14 juillet. Le 15 août, le 15 août. L'Assomption, l'Assomption, l'Assomption. Halloween, Halloween. There's no in French, right? So it's just Halloween, Halloween. Yom Kippur, Yom Kippur, Yom Kippur. The M is pronounced. Yom Kippur. Rosh Hashanah, Rosh Hashanah, Rosh Hashanah, Rosh Hashanah. La Toussaint, le 1er novembre. L'armistice, l'armistice, le 11 novembre. Le Ramadan, nasal sound. Ramadan, Ramadan. Hanukkah, no article. Noël, Noël, it's masculine but no article. Le 25 décembre, la Saint-Sylvestre, that's New Year's Eve. La Saint-Sylvestre, notice the hyphen, le 31 décembre. So some expressions there for you. I don't know why they have them flipped around here, but the French is on the right-hand side. Bonne année, bonne année, if you wish somebody Happy New Year. Bonne année, bonne année. Bonne fête, bonne fête. You can also use that for happy birthday, by the way, bonne fête. In Canada, that's what they say. Bon anniversaire or joyeux anniversaire is another way to say it, typically how they would say it in France too. Meilleur vœu, meilleur vœu, meilleur vœu. Poisson d'avril, poisson d'avril. Joyeuse Pâques, joyeuse Pâques. Joyeux Noël, joyeux Noël. Pour les rites et les coutumes, le réveillon, 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 nasal sound at the end. Un défilé, un défilé, un défilé militaire. So for le 14 juillet, for the French national holiday, there's usually a military parade, un défilé militaire. Une fête, un anniversaire, du liaison there, un anniversaire, un gâteau, and it's gâteau, and that means cake. It's not a cat, so don't eat cats for your birthday. Une bougie, une bougie, une bougie. Un cadeau, un cadeau. Don't forget there in the plural, it's des cadeaux. It's better to get gifts than a gift, right? Des cadeaux with an X. So les noces, les noces, les noces, that's feminine plural. Un anniversaire de mariage, un anniversaire de mariage. Une cérémonie, cérémonie. Le champagne, gnu sound, champagne. Le muguet, le muguet, le muguet. Des blagues, feminine. Des costumes. You could also say un déguisement, a costume. Des crêpes, sound, accent circonflexe. Un picnic, it's masculine. Un picnic looks like it would be feminine, right? Un picnic. La bûche de Noël. If you haven't had bûche de Noël, you should go and get one for Christmas. Une carte de vœux. Le gui. Le Père Noël. Le sapin de Noël. Nasal sound. La crèche. La messe. Le sabbat. Here's the verbs. Very few vocabulary words in this chapter, so it's super easy. Célébrer. This is one of those verbs with accent changes on the second E, right? So in the infinitive form, it's aigu. In the nu and the vous form, it's aigu like that. But in all the other forms, first person singular, je, second person singular, tu, third person singular, il, elle, on, and third person plural, il, elle, it's célèbre. So the second one becomes grave. Célèbre, célébrer, célébrons. Well, célébrer, célèbre. Okay? So careful with the accent changes on the second accent in that verb. Faire la fête, fêter. Réveillonner. So je réveillonne, for example. Inviter. Offrir. Careful with that one. It's conjugated like an ER verb, right? So it's not really an IR verb. There's no IS, IT, IS, etc. So it's just like an ER verb. J'offre, tu offres, etc. Donner. Recevoir. That's irregular. Reçoit. Recevons, recevez, reçoivent. Ouvrir, souffler, plaisanter, faire un poisson d'avril, faire le pont. Okay, so not a lot of vocabulary going on in this chapter, but some important things to focus on with regards to pronunciation. Merci, au revoir.